When most people think about DTF printing, they immediately think of t-shirts. But what if you could apply those same vibrant designs to metal? The good news is, you absolutely can. With the right preparation and application technique, DTF transfers can produce incredibly impressive results on metal surfaces.
The first step is always preparing the surface. Any dust, oil, or fingerprints can ruin the adhesion, so you must clean the metal thoroughly before you begin. Next, secure your transfer in place using heat-resistant tape. Since metal is a very smooth surface, keeping the design from shifting during pressing is essential for accurate placement.
Now it's time to press. Unlike fabric, metal reacts to heat very differently, which is why using the correct temperature, pressure, and pressing time is so important. Following the recommended application settings helps ensure a clean transfer and long-lasting adhesion.
After pressing, you just need to allow the transfer to cool if required, and then carefully remove the carrier film. It's best to take your time during this step. A smooth peel is always a good sign that the transfer has bonded properly to the surface.
Metal products really offer endless creative opportunities. From water bottles and tumblers to signs, nameplates, toolboxes, and personalized gifts, they're a great way to expand your product line way beyond apparel.
Definitely. But before producing large quantities, it's always a good idea to test your settings on a sample piece first. A few minutes of testing can save hours of rework later. Great results don't come from rushing the process, they come from careful preparation, the right application, and attention to every detail.
Because at the end of the day, premium products don't happen by accident. They're created with consistency. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.